before we get into how to use ChatGPT for content creation, all right, let me share your truth that will save you a whole lot of time and frustration. The thing is, most people use ChatGPT the wrong way. They just throw in a question and then complain that the answers sound too robotic or too boring. But here's what they do not realize, that ChatGPT isn't the problem, but the prompt they actually give to ChatGPT is the problem. Now, I want you to think of ChatGPT like a mirror, all right? It reflects whatever you show it. If your message is short, unclear, or random, it will definitely reflect the same energy back. But if your message is full of detail and purpose, of course, it will definitely deliver something powerful. So when you learn how to talk to ChatGPT, you tell it the tone, the purpose, the audience, and the emotion. You stop writing for everyone and start writing for you. And that is the very secret behind people who create powerful results with AI. It's not that they are more tech savvy. No, they just know their onions. They know how to give clarity. Remember that ChatGPT isn't a writer. It is a mirror of your clarity. So the clearer you are, the better it reflects your vision. So good prompts are not about the word, right? They are about the direction. So you tell ChatGPT who you are talking to, what tone you want, and what goal you are trying to achieve. So before we go into the example, please keep these truths in mind, that you do not need a fancy prompt. You just need to learn how to express yourself clearly to the AI. So once you do this, you'd realize that ChatGPT can actually match your energy, your creativity, and even your personality. Now, let's talk about how to actually structure your prompt, because this is where most YouTuber, most creator, most beginner mess. So when you enter ChatGPT, don't just type your question like, write me a video idea. No, instead ask like you are giving a direction to a creative assistant working for you. You say, hey, I'm a YouTube creator who makes so video. You insert the type of content you make and proceed to saying, I want a script that is short. That if you actually want it short and sound natural, something that feels like a friend talking. So what you just did is that you just gave ChatGPT your identity, your tone, and your purpose. Alright? And these things are what shape a perfect result. Now let me show you this quick breakdown I call the 4 golden P's of prompting. So the first is personality. You want to tell ChatGPT who you are, your style, your vibe, and the type of content you make. Now for the second P, which is purpose. So you tell ChatGPT why you are doing this. Example, I'm making this video to educate people on how to edit. The third P is the people, which means you tell ChatGPT who you are talking to. Example, my audience are mostly beginners who want to start their content creation journey. The last P is what I call product. So by this, you tell ChatGPT what you want it to create. Example, I want a very detailed script for so type of content that you create. Alright. Now, once ChatGPT know all of these things, these 4 things, your personality, your purpose, people, and product, it start giving you your kind of answers, and not random answers anymore. Not the robotic type of answers, but your own type of answer, if that makes sense. People think AI will replace creator, but I really do not think so. I think AI just amplifies the clarity you bring. You are still the brain, while ChatGPT is just your hand. So when next you open ChatGPT, please do not just drop a random question, alright? You talk to it like a teammate. You tell it your story, your energy, your purpose, and watch how your result changes. Now that you understand how to talk to ChatGPT properly, here I will show you 7 insanely prompts every creator should know this 2025 coming 2026, and how to actually customize them for your niche. Okay, so the first prompt you should know is your brand identity prompt. Before anything else, you tell ChatGPT who you are. You can try this. From now on, consider me a YouTuber who creates tutorials about editing and content creation. You can insert the type of content you create, alright? And I prefer natural language and not too serious. That's if you prefer natural language and not a serious language, whatever thing. So what this does is set foundation, alright? It helps ChatGPT understand your personality. So my second prompt is what I call the audience understanding prompt. What this does is that ChatGPT can help you figure out who your content speaks to. So the third on my list is what I call the niche direction prompt. If you are unsure what niche to stay consistent in, you can actually tell ChatGPT this. Based on my interest in editing and creativity, list 5 content niches I could explore on my YouTube that fits my personality, if that makes sense. My fourth prompt is what I call the hook builder. You know how important the first line of every video is. Now you should try this prompt. Tell ChatGPT to write you 5 different video hook ideas. Then you go ahead to insert your topic that will make people stop scrolling. Now, what this does is that it saves you hours of brainstorming, the perfect first line, stuff like that. Now, my fifth prompt is what I call the caption and description helper. Now, after uploading your videos, you do not need to struggle about description. So you can tell ChatGPT, write me a YouTube description and short caption for, then you go ahead to insert your topic. My sixth prompt is what I call the thumbnail text brainstorm. Now, if you need catchy text for your thumbnail, you can ask ChatGPT, give me 5 short catchy thumbnail text ideas. For a, then you go ahead and insert your topic. Now, if at all you want to turn your script into a storytelling, that brings us to this. You can tell ChatGPT, help me turn this script idea. Then you go ahead and insert your topic into a storytelling script without sounding cliche. Now to the last and very important prompt is what I call the custom voice prompt. So you tell ChatGPT, from now on, remember my voice and my tone. So moving forward, I want you to write every future script in this same energy. Now, what this does is basically telling ChatGPT to learn your creative identity. So once you log that in, it's like having a creative partner that thinks just like you. And there you have it. Most important 7 ChatGPT prompts every content creator and YouTuber needs in 2025 coming 2026. So if this video helped you, please subscribe. I've got more beginner friendly AI and creative tutorial on the way. See you in my next video.